We saw demonstrations of how the forensic expert thinks the shooting unfolded based on the physical evidence. The state challenged that testimony by saying what he says happened is not what Guthrie said on that 911 call.
At what point angle-wise do I shoot? To let me know when to stop, okay?
The prosecution got technical with the defense forensic expert testimony. Michael LaForte told the court the bullet deflected off the floor and hit Ava Guthrie in the head, something he says JSO detectives didn't consider.
Yes, it should have been considered as the likely cause based on the physical evidence. This didn't happen, as the detective said, that the pistol was pointed directly at her.
LaForte mentions how the bullet was deformed before it entered Ava's skull. During cross-examination, he testified the bullet would have lost velocity before going into her head.
It makes plenty of sense. Like I said, there was only one bullet fired. The bullet had enough velocity, and that much damage does not occur from going through human skin.
The state had him reiterate facts. The shooting happened in a small area. LaForte is not a firearms expert. He's normally hired by the defense and reached out to the defense to work the case.
When the defendant calls 911 and says, I just shot it up, that's a contradiction to your finding, correct?
It would be, but it's understandable. That's the perception at the time.
We also heard from Guthrie's wife, Ashley McMillan, who says Guthrie was frantic on the phone after the shooting, saying the gun ricocheted and that she didn't know what happened. McMullen says to her knowledge, the gun was left unloaded. They kept a magazine nearby just in case they needed it. After the defense rested, the state called up an FDLE witness. Court resumes tomorrow at 10 a.m. At the Duval County Courthouse, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.